The story of the domesticated cat begins not in a cozy living room, but in the wilds of Africa and Eurasia, where the untamed landscape shaped their early existence. Their ancestors, the African wildcats, were solitary hunters, perfectly adapted to their environment, relying on their keen senses and agility to survive. These wildcats were small and sleek, with exceptional hearing and night vision, allowing them to navigate and hunt effectively in the dark. They thrived in diverse habitats, from the arid deserts to the dense forests, showcasing their remarkable adaptability. While physically similar to our feline companions today, these wildcats were driven by instinct and survival, a stark contrast to the domesticated behaviors we see now. Their journey to becoming the domesticated cats we know and love is a testament to the complex relationship between humans and animals evolving over thousands of years. These wildcats, like all creatures, played a vital role in their ecosystem, maintaining the balance by controlling the population of their prey. Their primary prey were rodents and other small animals, helping to keep populations in check and prevent overpopulation. This natural pest control would prove to be a key factor in their eventual domestication, as humans began to see the benefits of their presence. As humans transitioned from nomadic hunter-gatherers to settled agricultural societies, the stage was set for a unique interspecies partnership that would change the course of history. The fertile fields, brimming with grain, attracted rodents in droves, creating an abundant food source for the wildcats. This, in turn, drew the attention of the ever-opportunistic wildcats, who found these areas to be ideal hunting grounds. The presence of these feline hunters near human settlements marked the beginning of a long and intertwined history, as both species began to interact more frequently. While initially wary of each other, the benefits of coexistence slowly began to outweigh the apprehension, leading to a gradual acceptance. Humans recognized the value of having wildcats around to control rodent populations, which threatened their food stores and could cause significant damage. The wildcats, in turn, discovered a reliable source of prey near these settlements, making it advantageous for them to stay close. This marked the first tentative steps towards domestication, driven by mutual benefit and a shared environment, laying the foundation for the bond we share with cats today. The transition from wary tolerance to active encouragement was gradual, spanning many years and countless interactions. Humans likely began leaving out scraps of food, a gesture that would not have gone unnoticed by the wildcats. These scraps were often leftovers from meals or waste from food preparation. This simple act of sharing may have been the first seeds of trust sown between humans and these wild felines. Over time, this mutual benefit fostered a unique bond. Over generations, the wildcats that were bolder and less fearful of humans would have been more successful in securing these easy meals. These bolder cats thrived, while the more timid ones stayed away. This process, known as natural selection, played a crucial role in shaping the temperament of domesticated cats. The traits that allowed them to coexist with humans were passed down through generations. As the relationship strengthened, wildcats likely ventured closer to human settlements, finding shelter in barns and other outbuildings. These structures provided safety and warmth, further encouraging their presence. This proximity further solidified their role as pest controllers, offering humans tangible benefits in exchange for food and shelter. They helped keep rodent populations in check, protecting stored grain and other food supplies. This arrangement, however, was still a far cry from the domesticated cats we share our homes with today. Early, semi-domesticated cats were more self-reliant and less dependent on humans. These early feline companions were still largely independent, their wild instincts very much intact. They roamed freely and hunted for themselves when necessary. The transition from wild animal to domesticated companion was a slow and nuanced process spanning generations. It involved gradual changes in both behavior and genetics. It wasn't a single event, but rather a series of subtle shifts in behavior and genetics. Each generation brought cats that were slightly more tame and more comfortable around humans. As wildcats became more accustomed to human presence, they likely became less fearful and more tolerant of human touch. This tolerance grew with each successive generation. This gradual tameness, passed down through generations, laid the foundation for the affectionate and social cats we cherish today. These cats have become beloved members of our families, known for their companionship and unique personalities. The early relationship between humans and cats was undoubtedly one of mutual benefit, a partnership that evolved over centuries. For humans, the presence of cats meant protection for their valuable food stores from rodents, which were a constant threat to their survival. This in turn led to greater food security and prosperity for these early agricultural societies, allowing them to thrive and expand. Cats, on the other hand, benefited from a reliable source of prey and a relatively safe haven near human settlements, where they could live and hunt with minimal threats. This symbiotic relationship, driven by practicality and necessity, laid the groundwork for a deeper bond to develop over time. However, the benefits of this partnership extended beyond mere practicality, evolving into something more profound and emotional. As cats became more integrated into human settlements, their presence likely brought other, less tangible benefits, enriching the lives of those around them. Their playful antics and independent nature may have provided companionship and entertainment to early humans who found joy in their presence. The soft fur, purring, and warmth of a cat nestled nearby may have offered comfort and stress relief, creating a sense of peace and well-being. These factors, while difficult to quantify, likely played a significant role in cementing the bond between humans and cats, making them cherished companions. This mutual affection, coupled with the tangible benefits of pest control, ensured that cats secured a permanent place in human societies, becoming beloved members of communities. They were no longer just tolerated, but actively welcomed into homes and communities where they were treated with care and affection. This acceptance paved the way for cats to embark on a remarkable journey across the globe, spreading their charm and companionship to every corner of the world, becoming an integral part of human life everywhere. The domestication of cats was not a deliberate act of human intervention, like the selective breeding of dogs for specific tasks. Instead, it was a more subtle process, driven by natural selection and mutual benefit. Cats that were naturally more docile and tolerant of humans were more likely to thrive in close proximity to human settlements. These individuals, in turn, were more likely to reproduce and pass on their desirable traits to their offspring. Over countless generations, this process gradually shaped the behavior and even the physical appearance of cats. They became smaller in size compared to their wild counterparts, with subtle changes in coat patterns and vocalizations. This gradual domestication, however, didn't erase their wild instincts entirely. Cats, even today, retain much of their independence and hunting prowess, a testament to their wild ancestry. The process of domestication also led to a fascinating interplay between genetics and environment. As cats adapted to living alongside humans, their brains underwent subtle changes, influencing their behavior and social interactions. They developed the ability to interpret human cues, such as pointing and facial expressions, allowing for a more nuanced form of communication. This, in turn, strengthened the bond between humans and their feline companions, paving the way for a deeper understanding and appreciation of each other's unique qualities. If you enjoyed learning about the fascinating journey of cat domestication, please subscribe to our channel and like this video for more captivating content.